Water damage doesn't wait. It doesn't ask permission. It strikes fast, destroying your walls, your floors, your peace of mind. Whether it's a burst pipe hidden behind your walls, a flooding basement, or a water heater emergency, every second counts. Your home or business is under attack, and you need more than just a plumber. You need a solution. Think about what water damage really means. Mold growing in your walls, structural damage spreading, insurance claims piling up, your family's safety at risk, your business shut down, your investment gone. And those big plumbing companies, they're slow, expensive, and personal. They treat you like a transaction, not a neighbor. They leave you waiting, wondering, worrying. You deserve better. This is where Pure Valley Plumbing enters. For 7 years, we've been the emergency response Moreno Valley trusts when disaster strikes. Our team of 120 skilled professionals are ready 24/7, 365 days a year. We don't just fix water damage, we eliminate it. Advanced leak detection technology pinpoints the exact problem. Hydrojetting clears your lines completely. Sewer camera inspection reveals what others miss. We arrive fast, we work smart, we solve it right. Imagine this, you call. We answer immediately. Not in an hour, not tomorrow, now. Our fully equipped service vans roll out across North Moreno Valley Ranch, Rancho Balago, and every neighborhood in our service area. You're not waiting around wondering what's happening. Our licensed master plumbers get to work instantly, using cutting-edge technology to stop the damage before it spreads. Here's what you get with Pure Valley. Guaranteed 60-minute emergency response. We come when you need us, expert water damage restoration, certified professionals who know exactly what to do, advanced leak detection, finding hidden problems others miss completely, 12-month warranty. We stand behind every repair, every installation fully bonded and insured, $2 million in coverage protecting your investment local expertise. We're not some corporate chain, we're your community plumbers. Don't just take our word for it. Pure Valley Plumbing has been recognized as the most trusted plumbing company in Moreno Valley. We've earned Excellence in Plumbing Services Awards, Quality Craftsmanship Recognition across Riverside County, and Outstanding Service Quality honors year after year. We're EPA LEED Safe certified, certified tankless water heater installers, backflow prevention specialists, members of the California Association of Plumbing, Heating, Cooling Contractors. This isn't luck, it's mastery. When water damage strikes, you need someone you can trust immediately, someone who shows up, someone who fixes it right, someone who understands that your home or business isn't just property, it's your life. Pure Valley Plumbing is that someone. Don't let water damage control your story. Take control now. Call Pure Valley Plumbing today. Our team is standing by 24/7, ready to respond to your emergency within 60 minutes. We're here. We're ready. We're local. Water damage restoration isn't a luxury, it's survival. And when survival matters, Pure Valley Plumbing delivers. Moreno Valley, your trusted emergency plumber is Pure Valley Plumbing. Fast response. Expert solutions. Peace of mind, guaranteed.